Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. In case you hear the wind chimes, it's a little windy out, and I like them, so that's okay. But I think today what I want to work on are these. They are WIS 908 pruning shears, and they're called, I guess their brand thing is called High Power, spelled H-Y. Ooh, clever. Anyway, they're filthy, and I want to clean them up, and that always makes for a good before and after, you know, at the end of the video, which I like. Yeah, so not much more to say about it other than I think it'll be fun. So let's get after it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that disaster. I'm sorry that the video took so long, but you know, I learned something from this project. Basically, when I put in the evaporust, I should have stopped right there because it cleaned it up and it was more functional than it is now. What did I learn? I learned that before I pick up a hammer, I need to think for a moment. I could have looked at this for 5 seconds and realized. Sorry, my kitty's rubbing against my leg. I could have looked at this for 5 seconds and realized that it would have broken by doing what I did, but I just was so aggressively anxious to not let this thing beat me. Pause. Okay, move. Okay. Anyway, this thing was a disaster. But it looks shiny and it looks nice, and sometimes like when you play the guitar, you're not going to write a masterpiece every time, but it's always good to just practice, and that's what this was. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Look at you laying there all cute. Yes, you're a good kitty.